I'm going to show you how to create unlimited email accounts without a phone number. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to ProtonMail. Once you're here, you want to click on Create a Free Account. Then click on Proton Free. Continue with Proton Free. Type in the username for the email account. Then your password. Verify the captcha. Type your desired display name. Then click on Maybe Later. And your account will be created. You can use this email accounts for basically anything.